Hello, my name is Stephanie Yonker. I am a senior at Tulpehocken High School. I had the opportunity to go on the tours today. My favorite part was interacting with other students and getting to talk to the nutrition, learning about health environment of the dairy cows, as I live on a dairy farm myself.
We believe that reaching out to the younger generation that may be future either dairy farmers or dairy industry representatives is very important so that they see different aspects of the industry as well as different opportunities.
If you have the ability to help out in that area to help students get further and further in dairy-related education, it helps everybody out.